How many of you guys are tired of paying $5, $6, $7, these crazy prices for pre-made fries? Today we're doing it at home. We got a 2-for-1 review. We got this here, Pop Design potato cutter, and this Power XL 5-quart air fryer. You can pick them up pretty much anywhere. We're gonna turn these 2 potatoes into as many fries as we can. Let's go. This Pop Design potato cutter, got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. It comes with 2 different size blades. One is that big, the other one is that big, so you can make 2 different size fries. This is real easy. You lock it down, open it up, and let's go grab our potatoes. So we got 2 standard potatoes, nothing special. Gonna cut them in half. Put the potato in here. Real easy. Press the handle. Out they come. So the potatoes I got happen to not be that big. I wanted to try doing a whole one, even though the instructions say to cut it in half. Let's see what happens. Woo! Quite a bit more difficult, but a little elbow grease. Got some nice sized fries here. Let's cook them. Fry recipe that comes with the fryer calls for 1 tablespoon of olive oil per potato. Now we have 3 potatoes in here, so I went with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you know how you like your fries, do whatever it is you want. I'm gonna go with a little bit of garlic powder, or maybe that was more than a little bit, some pepper, and some salt. And let's mix it all up. And we're just going to let that sit for a minute while we go ahead and get the fryer ready. The fryer comes with some really simple instructions. The first thing we have to do is preheat this thing. And it's got buttons for, guys like me. French fries. Press the French fry button. And let's take it down to 3 minutes. This is the preheat cycle. And we hit the start button, which is automatic. Awesome. All right, as you can see, our fryer is ready. We're going to take out the basket, dump in the fries. Oh, they are starting to sizzle. Look at those. Turn it on. Press the fry button. 18 minutes. Let's go. All right, this thing is just about done. So, one cool thing is when you take the basket out to shake it while you're cooking, it does turn off, but it remembers how much time is left when you put it back in. So that was pretty cool. This thing says less than 1 minute. I'm excited. Got the plate out, ready to test these bad boys out. And that's it. We are done. Let's go. Ooh. Got some well done guys on the top there. That's a nice mix of well done, medium. Good for everybody in the house. Let's see how they taste. And look at that. Look at the amount of fries that you get from 3 potatoes. We got some well done guys. We got some light medium guys. A little bit of everything for everybody. Gotta get that ketchup. Looks pretty good. See you next time. Bye.